What's going on, guys? Kayak Q launched out of Islamorada. Let's see what we catch, guys. Stay tuned. Don't know what I got yet. Might not be something big, but fish on, fish on, Spanish mackerel. Ya aquí no sé si tú me ves, después del puente, tengo una Spanish Mac. That's what I came here to get, guys. That's what I came here to get. Mackerel, guys. Here we go. He's legal. It has to be 12 to the fork. It's got to be about 18, maybe 20. Play ride, guys. Damn. For sure I got a shark one, guys. For sure. Ay, de verdad. Got this shark right near the boat on a stinger. No, un jack. Jack Gavel. No, eso va para la casa. I got a nice jack. El apón. Sí. ¡Ay! Shark bait is big. you guys think? Nice enough? All right, guys. One more glance. Nice big jack. All right, guys, so we're out here at Islamorada. Me and one of the guys hooked up to some nice size schoolie jacks, some Jack Crevalles. But other than that, the bite's been pretty slow. Been trolling for the most part, but can't complain. First trip down in Islamorada, and got a fish to for the sake of it, and I can't complain. So if you like, give me a like on this video, give me a comment, and let me know what you think of the jack, and please subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.